Hello there my fellow YouTubers. Welcome to my channel, EMS Birde. At ngayon po gagawa tayo ng pineapple guava smoothie. Ito po lang ang kailangan natin. Dalawa lang. Pineapple at guava. A glass of water. The health benefits of eating pineapple is loaded with nutrients, contains disease-fighting antioxidants. Its enzymes can aid this digestion, and may help reduce the risk of cancer, and may boost immunity and suppress inflammation. The benefits of eating guava: lower blood sugar levels, boost heart health, weight loss, help boost your immunity, and good for your skin. Lagyan po natin ng chops pineapple sa ibabaw ng smoothie kung gusto natin. Yung iba hindi na nila nilalagyan, pero yung iba nilalagyan nila para sa design, magandang tingnan. My pineapple guava smoothie is done. One glass is for my boss and the other one is for me. And I'm always saying that drinking smoothie is good for the health, especially this summer. It's refreshing and tasty. So once again guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and enjoy drinking your smoothie. Cheers!